Welcome back. Time now is 5:13. A live look outside for your Saturday morning and the first official day of spring. Our temperature is looking really nice today, but the wind is going to be the biggest weather story of the day. Southwest gusts up to 35 miles per hour within the valley, and that continues through tomorrow up to 30 miles per hour. But you will see those winds shift directions today, southwest, tomorrow north winds, and that brings a change in our temperatures. But it also brings on some pollen problems. We are looking at high levels of pollen, mulberry, ash, and elm throughout the weekend, so you can expect to keep those tissues handy if you suffer with allergies. Here's a look at Desert Doppler. We have some light showers moving through North Nevada, otherwise really quiet right now within the valley, but this storm system is what's bringing that wind, and we'll see that cold front bringing cooler air as early as tomorrow into early in the week. And until then, 70 degrees today, pretty typical for this time of year, although about 10 degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday. What a pleasant Friday we had with those temps in the low 80s, but again, those southwest sustained winds 15 to 25 miles per hour on gusty conditions through the afternoon. So if you're wanting to get outside today, be aware that storm system could bring the potential of a mix of rain and snow through the spring mountains today. Upper 40s there. Red Rock going to be a really gusty day there. Gust to 45, possibly up to 50 with mid 60s there. And Lake Mead at 76 degrees, gust to 35. So temps right now to start out your day. We're looking in the 62 degree category for McCarran Airport, 67 for Overton, and low 60s in Pahrump this morning. Really mild start. We're only warming up about 10 degrees from here, landing in the low 70s through most areas. The upper 60s, but over the next 13 hours or so, expect lots of sunshine, but also lots of wind. Already by around 10 a.m., we're looking at those sustained winds to 25. Those overnights falling into the low 50s, still pretty mild as we get into spring, and tomorrow that's when we expect to see continued wind and a bit of that cool down. We're looking at mid 60s as we get into the afternoon with a bit more cloud cover. So those temperatures staying in the 60s through the rest of the week. We are set up for a breezy weather pattern ahead for us. Breezy yet mild when you take a look at those temperatures. Not expecting to see any of that rainfall hit the valley. We are expecting to see those temperatures rebound back towards the 70s as we get towards Thursday and Friday. And you can see our overnights stay pretty nice, staying in the upper 40s and low 50s.
And it was another chilly one out there across the region today, setting yet another record, this time for a cold high temperature. Similar, just like what we set yesterday. Our previous record set back last year was 2 degrees above zero. Today's high, 3 below. So we did break that record for that cold high temperature today. So really just very chilly conditions, and we're looking at some quieter conditions here as we take a live look from your Lewiston Auto camera from Signal Hill looking towards Highway 52 there. Right now we are sitting at 9 below here in Rochester with mainly clear skies. Winds are pretty breezy out of the northwest around 13 miles per hour. That feel like condition right about that 30 degree below zero mark. So widespread here across the area, seeing temperatures into the single digits below zero here this evening. Wind chills anywhere from about 20 to about 30 degrees below zero. So, and we're only going to be getting colder here as we head into tonight. So temperature wise, we'll be seeing those temps kind of dropping back down into the teens below zero here for our Sunday morning lows. So what are we going to expect here throughout the next upcoming week? Well, this dangerous cold condition continues here throughout this weekend, throughout tonight and to tomorrow and Sunday night as well. Looking to see wind chills anywhere from about 20 to 40 degrees below zero. Next week, for your Monday and Tuesday, starting off the week on a cold note, we will be into the single digits, either just below zero on Monday and just above zero on Tuesday. But as we head towards the second half of the work week, we will be seeing kind of a gradual warm up with those temperatures actually getting back into the teens. So it will be almost a big change in conditions heading into next week. But wind chill wise, we're going to be seeing those wind chills feel like they are into the 30s to even the 40s below zero as we head into the overnight hours. And because of that, we do have a wind chill warning that will be in effect until noon on Monday due to those wind chills going to be nearing 40 below at times. So within this, because of how cold these conditions will be, frostbite can set in pretty quickly, anywhere for about 10 to 30 minutes. So really try and limit your time outdoors if you can here this weekend. Really, things staying quiet across the upper Midwest, looking at mainly clear skies. So that's going to allow those temperatures to really drop here heading into later tonight, and really staying quiet throughout the overnight hours. Not expecting much for cloud cover. That would keep us a little bit warmer, but really Sunday looking to be a nice day. Plenty of sunshine. Temperatures still looking to not get above 0 degrees for that high temperature. Now heading into Monday, a very similar story, staying sunny once again, and those temperatures continuing to stay pretty chilly. So like I said, we're going to stay cold and well below normal throughout the next several days. And in terms of those average highs, we should be about 27 degrees. So our forecasted high into the single digits below 0 here for your Sunday and Monday, anywhere from about 20 to 35 degrees below normal. But good news is those temperatures do warm up as we head towards the second half of the week, getting back into the teens, maybe even 20 degrees for Saturday. And those how close or far away we are from that average temperature gets smaller as we continue into next week. So that is some good news that we will be seeing some warmer weather on the way. Tonight, though, staying very chilly. Those overnight lows into the 20s below 0 with wind chills nearing 40 below at times. Heading into tomorrow, we'll get more of that sunshine back again that we saw this afternoon with partly sunny skies, overnight low or afternoon highs into the single digits below 0, wind chills nearing 40 below at times as well. But otherwise, your Valentine's forecast looking to see that sunshine and seeing that gradual warm up heading into the second half of next week. Julian?
Next.